Hey friends, welcome back. Day 66. One offer, clear focus, and big results. If everything is important, nothing is. And I see this mistake costing entrepreneurs thousands of dollars and countless hours every single week. You're juggling 5 different offers, 3 different funnels, and you're wondering why nothing's gaining traction. Here's the truth. The problem isn't work ethic, it's your focus. Today, I'm going to show you how to simplify your business to one clear offer that can actually multiply your results. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. So, hey, friends, it's Christy, and welcome back to day 66 of our journey together. We're going to deep dive into focus, which I genuinely believe is the most underrated superpower in digital business. And I'm not just talking about time management or productivity hacks. I'm talking about strategic focus that transforms your entire business model, your superpower into your digital business. You don't need 10 offers. You need one offer that serves one person really well. So when we focus on one clear solution, your marketing becomes your magnet. People instantly understand what you do and how you can help them. Simplifying doesn't mean shrinking. It means sharpening your message so that the right people can say yes faster. Refine before you expand. Perfect one funnel, one system, one program, and let it grow its roots before planting any more seeds. Look at your current offers and pick one that feels most aligned with your audience's best needs right now. Commit to promoting that offer consistently for the next 30 days. Clarity creates confidence, and confidence creates conversion. So, focus brings freedom, friend. Let's talk about simplifying your business so that you can multiply your results. Here's what I've learned after years of building online businesses and coaching hundreds of entrepreneurs. You don't need 10 offers. You don't even need 3. You need one offer that serves one certain person really, really well. And when I say one person, I mean one clearly defined avatar with one specific problem that you need to solve better than anyone else. Let me paint a picture of what happens when you focus on one clear solution. Your marketing becomes magnet. And I mean truly magnet, not just pretty good. When someone lands on your page and sees your content, they instantly know whether it's for them or not. Think about the brands that you love. Apple doesn't try to be everything to everyone. They have a clear identity. Peloton doesn't try to sell 10 different fitness solutions. They perfected one experience, and the clarity is what makes people willing to pay the premium price and become raving fans. And here's what it looks like in practice. When you have one focused offer, people instantly understand what you do, how you can help them. There's no confusion. There's no wait. So you don't have to do this or do you have to do that. They see the content and they think, yes, this is exactly what I need right now. But here's where most people get it wrong. They think simplifying means shrinking their business or limiting their potential. And that's not it at all. Simplifying means sharpening your message so that the right people can say yes faster. It means removing friction from that customer making decision process. I want you to think about it this way. Refine before you expand. This is crucial. Perfect one funnel, one system, one program, and let it grow deep roots before you start trying to plant more seeds. When you're trying to grow everything at once, nothing gets nurtured in its needs to survive and thrive. But when you grow on one focused thing, you can optimize every single touch point. You can perfect your messaging and you can refine your delivery and you can create an experience that generates word of mouth referrals. All right, here's your challenge for today. And I want you to actually do this today. Not just think about it. Look at your current offer or offers and pick one that feels most aligned with your audience's biggest needs right now. Not the one that you're most excited about, not the one that's the highest price tag, or the one that solves the most urgent problem for your ideal client. That's the one I want you to look at right now. Then I want you to commit to promoting that consistently for 30 days. And when I say consistently, I mean show up every single day with the content that speaks to that one solution, not distractions, no shiny object syndromes, just 30 days of focused, intentional promotion. Track your results. Watch what happens. When you give one offer your full attention and energy, here's what I know to be true: clarity creates confidence, confidence creates conversion. And when you're crystal clear on what your offer is and who it's for, that confidence radiates through everything that you do. Your content becomes more compelling. Your sale conversion becomes easier. Your clients get better results because you've mastered the craft instead of spreading yourself thin. Focus brings freedom, friend. I know it feels counterintuitive. It feels like you're leaving money on the table or you're limiting options. But the opposite is true. When you focus, you bring momentum. You create systems at work. You develop expertise that sets you apart. And from that strong foundation, you can expand strategically when the time is right. So take the challenge. Choose your one offer. Commit to that 30 days and watch what happens when you finally give your business the gift of focus. You bring value to so many other people. I'll see you tomorrow for day 67.